Although you boo, I say quam you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say don't worry. And we go there together. Although you boo, I say quam you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say.
Welcome back. Ooh, I literally feel like I haven't sat in front of the camera in forever. It feel like forever. But you know what I'm saying. Welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome back. My name is Sana Segba. I'm from West Africa, Liberia, of course, if you can hear in my accent. In today's video, let me pull my chair up. So in today's video, we're doing a collaboration, and it's a hair video. Like, if you can already tell, cause baby, hair is looking good, okay? So this wig is from Asteria hair. It is the Water Wave 180 density. Yes, 180 density, super duper full. If I tell you this is 24 inch, you won't even believe me. So let's go over the detail. This is what the hair came in. It's a HD lace, 5x5, 24 inch lace closure, and the cap is medium, and it's a 180 density. Okay, this was not playing with this one. So that's the detail about the hair. This is what it looked like from the back. I'm so short. It's 24 inch, but this hair literally do not look like 24 inch. It looked like more of 26 inch to me. I guess because I'm super short. I'm super short, so it do feel like 26 inch, but it is 24. That's the hair, okay? So it's been a minute since I've been on here, okay? So let's take this time and watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Let's go.
Good morning, guys. I hope everybody having an amazing morning, because it's morning to me. So let's start off with the ball cap method. Y'all know the usual. I've been using the new stocking cap where I don't have to do a lot. So I put on my stocking cap, spray with the bed hair spray, got to be spray, or the new spray. What is it called? I'll put the detail in there. Spray with that, blow dry it. When you get done, I use my gel, got to be gel, to basically reapply that on it to make it more stickier and stronger. So I use that. Again, I take my wigs off every night when I get done using it. I put the wig on, try it on to make sure my placement is right. For some reason, I feel like this one was a little bit tilted to the left, but we'll see. I use alcohol spray to wipe off the extra makeup or like foundation I had put on the lace. So I do all that. I was showing you the hair. It is Water Wave. Simple and easy closure to put on. It's a quick and go hairstyle where you don't have to do a lot. This hair was super full. I literally did not do nothing with it. I didn't even pluck it at all, to be honest, because it was already pre-plucked, so you don't have to do a lot. I usually don't try to pluck my hair too much because I wear them a lot and I want them to last for a long time, so I don't over pluck them. So to each your own. So I tried on, did my placement. Sorry, in this video I was talking on the phone when I first started. Then as you gonna see, my son was in the room with me, so we were just having a conversation, just talking as I was doing my hair. He asks a lot of questions, okay? He's not the typical child. He talks a lot. So sometimes I'll be having a conversation with a grown man. But let's get into the video. I add some got to be gel on my when I'm going to be applying the hair. Add some gel. Then I use the spray to spray it on it to give it that extra hold, because sometimes I go out and it be too hot. So I try to give it all the extra hold I can give it. So that's what I do. But the minute you sweat, it's going to come off anyway. So yeah, that's what I do. Put it on there, did my measurement, blow dry it. It was an easy installation, I'm telling y'all. Very easy. Blow dry it. When I got done, I literally blow dry it, tie it up. Use the small tooth comb to push the wig into the lace into the gel. That helps a lot. It don't give them the extra residue. Make sure it is dry first, so it don't give you that tacky leftover residue. That's what I do. Because if you don't wait till it dry a little bit and you try to push the comb into the lace, you're going to get that white sticky gel because it's not dry. So I usually wait till it's dry, then I do that. When I got done doing that, I use my elastic band. This wig came with an elastic band, some lashes, some hair net. It came with a lot of nice and pretty stuff. So I tied up, did my middle part. Then I didn't like it. I feel like it wasn't giving me middle. I used the scissor and the razor to cut my lace. I don't use the scissor to cut my lace. I just use that to like put the split in the middle of it. Then I use the razor to cut the lace itself, okay? Let me not get that confused. I didn't use the scissor to cut the lace, like cut it all the way off. I just use it to like cut the top of it and cut the middle of it so I can be able to use the razor. Don't use the scissor. If you use the scissor, if you're a professional, you can use the scissor and give it that jagged ends. You can go ahead and do that, but I'm not that professional at it. So I use razor. Razor is the easy way for learners. So again, so each its own. This is all learning. If you have a method that works for you, go ahead and do it, but this is what I do. So when I get done doing that, I blow dry it again to make sure before I tie it up. I like using an elastic band, but I want to make sure it's not too tacky or sticky because I don't like that white residue. Then I have to sit there cleaning it up all day. Like I always say in every video, hot comb is your best friend. I love the hot comb. Hot comb is literally like one of the styling material for hair. I know you can use curling iron and all that stuff, but hot comb is literally the GOAT when it comes to wigs. So if you don't have a hot comb, baby, get you a hot comb, okay? Get you a hot comb. So I do that over and over. Make sure my middle part is flat because, you know, I love flat hair. Sometimes I love like giving like that little bulky look. I give it in this one because I was trying to get the front to be a little bit like not too flat. You're gonna see. So I did that in this look. Anyway, we're gonna do baby hair. Like I always tell y'all, I cannot do baby hair to save my life, but it never hurts to try. Baby hair, I'm coming for you, okay? I'm not gonna be scared of baby hair no more. I'm gonna keep learning. Like I always said, this channel is for learning, okay? We are learning together. Baby girl gonna do baby hair for sure, yo. But anyway, so I'm gonna try to do my baby hair in this video. Do not make fun of me. If you have any recommendation, please leave it in the comment box. I'm still learning, okay? So we cut it off, then we did some baby hair. I don't know what craziness got in me. I feel like the baby hair was too long, and my smart self decided to use scissors to cut my baby hair after I did all this. And it just gave it that sharp ends look, and I didn't like it. But I'm gonna fix that later on. But yeah, so I flat ironed the baby hair, and I decided to lay it down. Yeah, kind of stupidity. Not right here. But I eventually used scissors, guys. Don't use scissors. That was a bad idea. Never do that again. But yeah, so I did the whole baby hair thing. I'm a whole clown. But yeah, so let's keep learning with this baby hair. We're going to keep doing it until we get it right. He just be there telling me how much he loved me, okay? This is something we do all day, 24/7. I love you more. I love you with all my heart. I love you more. It goes on for at least, this is us all day. But yeah, so I did a baby hair. Yo, don't make fun of me, okay? I realized this baby hair thing is not my thing, but hey, we are learning, right? So yeah, I did my baby hair. Then after that, I tied up. Then, yeah, I went to do my makeup. And I came back. But yeah, again, I'm still using the hot comb. Always use the hot comb, lady. Hot comb is your best friend. I know it burns because I be burning myself sometimes. But I went off the camera. I did my makeup, but I didn't finish it. and I came back to like style my hair, then I went and finished my makeup. Yeah, so I try to do that little hump in the front with the, you know, how you have the little hump in the front, like right, like that. Yeah, like that. So I try to do the little hump. I use my concealer to define my part. Okay. You see how deep that middle part is? So imagine if you do it into a side part, it would be perfect. And I got a new spray bottle, y'all. Yay! Congratulations. Anyway, I got the mist bottle. The first one was from the Dollar Tree. This one was from Sally. We upgraded and became a little bad and bougie, okay? Don't play with me. Put some respect on my name. Psych. So I did the spray bottle, like I always say. I use conditioner in the bottle, water, some spray, bed head spray, what else? Mousse. And I pour a little bit of Sprite. Yeah, that's how I do my little concoction for my spray bottle. I get done, I shake it up. I don't do too much of everything, because if you do too much, the hair would be too sticky. So I don't do too much. I just do a little bit of everything mixed together, and that's how I come out with my mist for my hair. But also, when I'm doing this, I also put condition in my hair still, and mousse, and everything I listed that I put in the bottle. Don't do too much, because the hair will come out too hard. Don't do too much. Don't say I told you to do too much, okay? Do a little bit to define your curls, and you use your curly brush, your defining brush. I didn't use it in this one, but I always use my curly brush, my defining brush, to like comb through it, so that way when I get done, the curls are matching each other. But yeah, that's what I do, okay? I'm so excited. But that's about it. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask below.
Hey guys, I hope you watched that video to the end. Of course you did, because if you didn't, we'll be fighting. But if you watched the video to the end, I just want to say thanks so much. I appreciate you. If you have any questions, any recommendation, any collaboration, if you want to collab, hit me up in my email. But if you have any question you want to ask, hit me up in the comments. Let's conversate together, okay? This is all about talking to each other and getting to know each other. Why am I talking with my hand? But anyway, if you watched to the end, I just want to say thank you for watching.
Yeah, you bang me.